So in this video, I'll show you how to fix you can't share reels now because your account actively may not work. So to fix this problem, let's try this method. Method number one, go to your Instagram. After you go to the Instagram, tap on this message section at the top right side. After you come to this messages section, so from this option now, sometimes Instagram tells you exactly what or exactly why the restriction happened. Sometimes Instagram will send you some message from the Instagram direct support. So if you just can't find the message in this option now, let's go to method two. Method number two, close the Instagram. After you close the Instagram, go to settings. After you go to settings, scroll to down. If you scroll to down, go to apps. So on the apps, tap on the search at the top and search for Instagram. After you open Instagram, scroll to down, go to storage and clear the cache. So after you clear the cache, that's method two. Let's go to method three. Method number three, after now you close the setting, go to your Play Store or App Store. After you go to Play Store or App Store, just go and search for Instagram. After you search for Instagram like this, so from there, just open the Instagram app. So now go ahead now and update your Instagram. That's method three. So let's go to method number four. So method number four, all you have to do now, go ahead now and open up now your Instagram. After you open up now your Instagram, now all you have to do now, sometimes if you like follow or post too much in a short time, Instagram may temporarily block features like sharing or some features in your account. So this usually lasts 24 to 48 hours. So waiting can solve this problem. All you have to do now, just wait for 24 hours or 48 hours. From there, Instagram will lift the restriction from your account. The reason for the restriction is just because you like too much or you follow account too much. So at this moment, Instagram may like plug your account as like a robot account. That's why they restrict some features on your account. Just wait for some moment, just wait for 48 hours to 24 hours. From there, your Instagram account will start working properly. And that's it, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.